Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you how I make this simple, elegant and very delicious dish, chicken with eggplant and fresh mozzarella, and I hope you enjoy. To make chicken breast with eggplant and mozzarella, I need just few ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, 1 eggplant, 1 fresh mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, Prego sauce. You can use any sauce you like, but this one is my favorite. Italian style breadcrumbs, black pepper and salt, and 4 cloves of garlic. That's all, and let's go started. First I will prepare eggplant. Remove just sides and slice. Let's go remove the first part because we don't need it, and I need slices like this, a little bit less than one inch. Next, we have nice cut 5 slices of eggplant. Because the eggplant has very bitter taste, to remove the bitter taste I will put salt and just wait 10 minutes to remove this taste, and we can start the next step. Salt, not much, and wait 10 minutes. Next step, I will prepare chicken breast. I have very nice chicken breast. Just cut in half. I make 5 nice slices, and now we'll pound each slice the easy way. We don't wanna mess up everything around, so I use the plastic bag. I just pound like this. Let me this and thin. I'll put some salt, black pepper, and clove of garlic. I love garlic, that will be excellent addition. Just spread nicely like this. And the salt and pepper on another side. Very yummy dish. Simple salt and pepper. And we don't need extra garlic because one side will be enough. 2 eggs I will beat, make one consistent. The next step, I will use just 2 ingredients to make chicken breast cutlet, and I use just egg and breadcrumbs. Just eggs, both sides, and the breadcrumbs. Oh, look at this, looks beautiful. And just put on the side. And I use the breadcrumbs with Italian seasonings to give my cutlets more flavor. 10 minutes pass. You can see, there's lots of water. It's a bitter water. The best way to wash this with the fresh water and dry. Pour some oil, baking pan. Eggplant is nice and dry. I will bake in the oven. Let's go and use the oil from the bottle. Like this. Oh, perfect. I will bake in the oven. I will bake eggplant for 10 minutes each side. Temperature 350 degrees. 10 minutes pass. I will turn eggplant on the other side. We'll bake for 10 more minutes, and will be next step. Now I will pour the oil. It's the easiest way to check the oil is hot. Just put some breadcrumbs and you can see it's sizzling. That means the oil is hot. I will just fry chicken till it's nice and gold. Now I'll turn chicken other side. Let's go flip another side. It's done. Let's go put on the side. Let's go check another thing. Perfect. Perfect. Last step. I have beautiful baking pan. On the bottom, tomato sauce, chicken breast, a little bit Parmesan cheese to be like a glue for eggplant and the chicken will stick together. Next, eggplant. Look at this eggplant, it's so beautiful. Looks so delicious, perfect. Beautiful, healthy and very elegant dish. And next part, tomato sauce. Everything smells so good. Yum, yum, yum. And slice of mozzarella cheese. The fresh mozzarella cheese will be absolutely excellent addition. And on the top, Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. And now I will bake chicken and eggplant with fresh mozzarella cheese for about 30 minutes and it will be done. And 350 degrees temperature. Chicken cutlet and eggplant with fresh mozzarella and sprinkle of Parmesan cheese is done. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more recipe. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.